I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the 10th episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all a West African classic, jollof rice. And jollof rice is a tomato-based rice dish. It's spicy, smoky, and full of flavor. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And great to serve for your Kwanzaa feast or any time of the year. And it's great to serve with chicken, beef, plantains, you name it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Gullah red rice, the junior version of jollof rice. Also, for more side dishes, check out my side dish recipes playlist and my previous video, cut out sugar cookies. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your rice, your tomato sauce, and your spices, sugar, because we're about to cook some jollof rice magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our veggies. Over here, I have a red onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 jalapeno pepper, and 1 large clove of garlic. We're going to dice them up. Alrighty, I've got all my veggies diced, and make sure you remove the seeds from the jalapeno. Now we're ready to make our jollof rice. In my large pot, I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Or you can use vegetable or olive oil. Going to twirl this around. And all we do is let it get hot. And as soon as it gets hot, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, our oil's nice and hot. We're ready to add in our veggies. Our red onions. Yeah, hear that sizzle? That's what you want. Our diced red bell pepper. And our diced jalapeno. Going to add in a little kosher salt to help sweat the veggies. And give it a quick stir. And we're going to let them cook until the vegetables are softened and translucent, about 5 minutes. All right, my friends, our veggies nice and soft. Smells good. So now it's time to add in the garlic. Give this a quick stir. And we're going to let it continue to cook for 1 minute. You don't want the garlic to burn. All right, my friends, our veggies and garlic is nice and translucent. Now it's time to add in the other ingredients. Our yummy spices, I have 1 teaspoon each of cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, ground ginger, curry powder, and dry thyme, and kosher salt to taste. Stir this in. Now we're going to add in 1½ cups of tomato sauce, 2 cups of long grain white rice that I rinsed. Always rinse your rice to get rid of the starch. And 3 cups of vegetable broth, or you can use chicken broth. Give this a stir. And this is the part right here where you taste it to see if it needs any more salt. So I'm going to give this a quick taste. Excellent. So all we do now is bring it to a boil. All right, my friends, our rice has came to a boil, and this is optional. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. It will give the jollof rice a little extra flavor. So now I'm going to cover the pot Gonna cut my heat down to low, and we're gonna let it simmer for 20 minutes until all the liquid absorbs. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, it's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Super hot and steamy. Look at those colors. So now I'm going to cut my heat off. I'm going to fluff it up. Perfectly cooked jollof rice. All right, so now I'm about to pour it into my bowl. All right, my friends, there you have it. West African jollof rice. Doesn't that look good? Smells heavenly. And I garnish it with some fresh parsley and strips of onion slices. So now I'm about to fix me up a bowl and then I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Got to be careful so I won't burn my mouth. The rice is perfectly cooked, has a nice smoky flavor and a kick to it, bursting with tomato goodness. This jollof rice is divine, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Jollof rice-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Happy Kwanzaa and happy holidays.